day in the life of a Filipina living here in Sri Lanka. I usually powder. This is unsalted breakfast. This is what I since both Sri Lanka and Philippines. One is pumpkin curry. All the ingredients is here. It's 530. I put here. They have a lot of weight. 1, 2, 3, go! Market here in Sri Lanka. This market is only open every Saturday. Hi everyone! Mayong buntag Philippines sa Ibuan, Sri Lanka. Hello everyone and welcome to a day in the life of a Filipina living here in Sri Lanka. I usually wake up around 6 a.m. to prepare breakfast because my son's class starts at 7. After my husband and son go, I cook my baby's food. Today is a porridge made with green beans, potato, and rice. If you have a baby, you should try this recipe. While that's cooking, I just get some laundry started, so it's easy for me later. I'll just hang the clothes outside after they're washed. Baby's food for today is potato with green beans. Also, I'm gonna put the yellow malo fish powder. This is unsalted sprouts powder. Yeah, you want to eat na? Where is baby? Look here.
It looks like a circle, but it's stretched. Also looks like something we eat for breakfast in the morning.
For my own breakfast, this is what I make. Tortang talong, eggplant with egg. Living in Sri Lanka as a Filipina has been a special experience. I miss home sometimes, but I'm learning a lot and enjoying my new life here in Sri Lanka with my family. Sometimes I cook Filipino food when I miss home, but most of the day I eat Sri Lankan food. The food here is quite similar to ours, since both Sri Lanka and Philippines love rice and coconut. After I eat, I'm cleaning the kitchen because later I'm going to prepare our lunch. Then when I'm cooking, I just look here if what I need. For example, this is dal curry and this is all the recipe here. I don't know how to make that. And sometimes my husband is teaching me how to make. This one is pumpkin curry. All the ingredients is here. Pol sambol. This all the recipe that I write here is what we usually eat and what I like to eat. That's why I choose this one. Tempered potato. I like that also. Also green beans curry. Pol roti. I don't know if you can see it. Pumpkin, onion, coconut milk, turmeric, curry. They have when they are cooking. It's usually in Philippines we put only pepper, black pepper. But here they have a lot of ingredients. So sometimes I forgot to put that. Usually the Sri Lankan food, the main ingredient is chili, curry leaves, pandan leaves, and coconut milk for curry. This is what I use when we don't have coconut. I use the coconut powder. We just buy this in shop. I think it's 530. I put here. When I'm lazy to make coconut, I just use the powder. I'm preparing our lunch now. This is pumpkin curry, tempered potato, dal curry, They have a lot of ways for cooking the Sri Lankan food, and this is how I make it.
Ice cream lang din. Para mahaglog siya.
Here's the other one.
Uy! Unsan yung katuma?
Later, we are going to the local market to buy veggies and fruits. Also, we're going to bring the kids in the park to play. Let him run ba? Up.
Like a white
1, 2, 3, go!
Hey, come here. Hey. Hold Mali.
Look here, sa. Now we are in the local market here in Sri Lanka. This market is only open every Saturday. A lot of local is bringing their fruits and veggies to sell here. It's my first time to see these fruits. We call this in Philippines santol. For our dinner tonight, this is what I make, chicken curry. It's very spicy but good. I'm the one who cooked this. Let's eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.